Morning guys, it's Hamad. Welcome to MediPlants channel. Today I am going to review a beautiful plant in my garden which is red center lime, which belongs to the citrus family, and it is to some extent unique. You have seen Eureka lemons, you have seen Chinese lemons over there, you have seen multiple varieties of lemons, but this is red center lime. This is a bit different in appearance. Yeah, as the name shows, it is red in color. The texture or the outer texture or the outer skin of it is also red, as well as the inner pulp is totally red in color. So let's move on the plant and let's talk about the plant. Guys, you can see this is the plant. It's a shrub basically, and it is 7 to 8 feet in height, and it is full of leaves, which have you can say recently produced by the plant in the spring season, as it is spring nowadays. So you can see the fresh lush green leaves, and along with that you can see the opened flowers, the birds, the closed birds, all the things. So just see the birds. If I can show you, I'm just trying to focus on the open flower as well as the closed birds which are yet to open, so that you can enjoy it. But it is a bit difficult to handle the mobile video and all that stuff. So I'm just trying to focus it. Yes, it is. So just see how beautiful the flower is and how beautiful the bird is. This is the bird basically. So this is the plant, guys, and some of you will match this with the red center lime plant with the finger lime. So it is very closely related to finger lime. As you can see, the leaves are closely related. The formation of the leaves and the overall shrubby nature of the plant is very closely related to finger lime. So as we have talked before, that the fruit will be the outer skin will be red in color, as well as the inner skin, the inner pulp of the fruit is also would also be red in color, and it is a very wonderful plant you must have in your garden. Some of the tips that how you can grow in this plant in your garden and where to place it in your garden. So it do not require bright direct sunlight. It requires indirect bright sunlight, and that's why if you can see that I have placed it in my garden, in the corner of my garden. It is the corner of my garden where direct sunlight comes just about 2 to 3 hours daily, and the remaining is indirect. So the indirect sunlight is necessary for this plant, but more than 4 hours of direct sunlight will stunt its growth, and it will delay the fruiting and the growth of the plant. So guys, that's all for this video. See you next time. Goodbye.